Welcome students. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem of inclusion-exclusion principle. So in this problem, we have 150 attendees, among them 90 attended AI talk, 80 attended blockchain, 70 attended cybersecurity, with 50 attended AI and blockchain, 40 attended blockchain and cybersecurity, 35 attended AI and cybersecurity, and 25 of them attended all the three talks. So our required numbers are the number of attendees who attended exactly one of the event, exactly two of the event, and none of the event. Let's solve this step by step. And what I say before each and every problem that we have to draw the Venn diagram. So let us draw the Venn diagram and identify that which region we want to uh, estimate or we want to find the numbers. So these are the three Venn diagrams. This is for AI, this is for cybersecurity, and this is for blockchain. So if we look at this diagram, then only this shaded region is required because this shaded region denotes the number of attendees who attended exactly one event. Otherwise, if we consider the whole circles or whole sets, that denote that the number of attendees who attended at least any one of the event, right? Because these portions indicates the number of attendees who attended both AI and cybersecurity. This portion denotes the number of attendees who attended both AI and blockchain. Also, this portion denotes the number of attendees who attended both blockchain and cybersecurity. Hence, if we include all the three circles, that will denote us or that will give us the number of attendees who attended at least one of the events. But that is not the requirement. Our requirement is the number of attendees who attended exactly one. That means the shaded region, shaded by the slanting lines, is the required region. So, how to find the total number of attendees who attended exactly one events or one programs? First, we have to find the number of attendees who attended or who falls in into this regions. This region, this region, and this region, and this region. So we have to find the number of attendees who are in these four small regions. So first we need to find that how many of attendees attended only AI and cybersecurity. So only AI and cybersecurity. We can find this portion if we subtract this 25, because 25 falls in this small region. This is 25. So 25 people attended all the three events. So if we subtract this 25 from AI and cybersecurity attended by 40 people. So if we subtract 25 from this 40, then we will get number of attendees who attended only AI and cybersecurity. So it will be 15. So 15% attended only AI and cybersecurity. Similarly, now we have to find this region. That means total number of attendees who attended AI and blockchain. So similarly, we have to subtract 25 from uh, AI and blockchain was attended by 50 people. So 50 minus 25, that is equal to 25. Again we have to find number of attendees who attended only blockchain and cybersecurity. That means now we have to find this region. So, blockchain and cybersecurity was attended by, blockchain and cybersecurity was attended by 40 people, right? 40 minus 25, that is 15. And here, when we were calculating only AI and cybersecurity, it is 35 minus 25. This is 35 minus 25, that is equals to 10. So 35 minus 25. So these are the total number of attendees attended only two events. The sum of these three numbers, that is 10 plus 25 plus 15. That means 50. So this is the answer of B. That is exactly 2. Okay. So now we are going to find the total number of attendees who attended exactly one. For that, we first need to find out uh, the total number of attendees who attended only AI talk. Only A. So to calculate only A, we have to subtract these three portions. This three portion from the total of A. So it will be 90 minus AI and cybersecurity, AI and blockchain. And AI and cybersecurity is 10, AI and blockchain is 25. And all the three of all in this intersection of all the three sets, that is 25 again. So it is 30. Next, we want to find only blockchain. Similarly, we have to subtract these three numbers from the total of B. So the total of B is 80 minus AI and blockchain, that is 25. Blockchain and cybersecurity is 15 minus 25. So this will be 25, 25, 50, 50 and plus 15, that is 65. So 80 minus 65, that is 15. Next is only cybersecurity. So similarly, we have to subtract this three portion from the total of cybersecurity. So total of cybersecurity is 70 minus blockchain and cybersecurity is 15. AI and cybersecurity is 10 minus 25. So it will be 20. Now the sum of these three numbers indicate the total number of persons who attended only one. So only one event attended by 30 plus 15 plus 20, that is equal to 65. So 65 attendees attended only one, or exactly one. We have to calculate the total number of attendees who attended none events. That means we have to find A union B union C whole complement. We know that complement denotes the universal set minus the set whose complement we are calculating. So our Venn, if this is the universal set, that denotes the total attendees, and these are the three sets A, B, C. So if we take the union, means this region, and find their complement, this means this dotted area. So this dotted area will denote us that the total number of attendees who attended non-event. So A union B union C complement means 1 minus A union B union C. And we already know the formula of A union B union C. That is, this will be in for number or cardinality, in A plus in B plus in C minus in A intersection B minus in A intersection C minus in B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now here, sorry, it is not 1 actually. It is a total number of observations. So what is the total number of observation here? This is 150, right? So 150 minus this. Now we have all the numbers here. In A is 90, in B is 80, in C is 70. 90 plus 80 plus 70 minus A intersection B is 50, B intersection C is 40, C intersection A is 35. And total of all the three events, that means the total number of attendees who attended all the three events together, that is 25. So let us calculate this portion. It is 140. That means only 10 attendees attended no events. Okay, so we have solved all the three parts. So this is how we have to solve this kind of problem. And I think you have a clear idea now that how to solve this type of problem using the Venn diagrams and using the inclusion exclusion principles. If you have any query regarding this type of problems, then you can leave a comment in the comment section, and you can check it out my other videos regarding set theory from the set theory playlist. If you like these videos, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.